Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I will show you how to create 3D elements in Canva using a completely free feature. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then create or open any designs that you want to work on. And then now look at the left sidebar and then search for apps. Just tap on apps, this one, like this, and then just search for Magic Media, like this. Just choose this one, like this, and then just tap on 3D, this one, and then on here just write your prompt about the 3D elements that you want to make. Like for example, you can type like this. Just type anything that you want to make into a 3D element, and after typing your prompt, just hit generate 3D, and then Canva will create your 3D element in just a moment. And okay, like this, your 3D element is ready, so just tap on it, like this. And then in here you will be able to rotate or spin the object like this, like this. You can just spin or rotate your element to find the perfect angle for your designs, like this, for example, like this. Adjust until you get the look that you want. And okay, that's it. Super quick and super easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.